In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Roblox crashing. So the first thing you're going to do is press the Windows key and R to bring up this menu here. And now you need to type in %, temp, %, and press enter. Now press on the three dots, press select all, and then press the bin. So the next thing you can try is just resetting your computer. It's good to restart your computer from time to time, and as you can see, mine also needs an update, so you can also try updating your operating system. So the next thing we're going to do is make sure our graphics card drivers are up to date. To do this, go into your start menu and type in device manager. Click on this here, and then you want to go down to display adapters and right click on your GPU and press update driver. Now search automatically for drivers, and you can see mine are up to date, so that's all good. The next thing you can try is right clicking on the Roblox app and going to properties. Now go to compatibility, and you want to tick the box next to run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8 and the drop down. Make sure these two boxes here are ticked, press apply and then OK. If your game's still crashing, you can try closing down apps like Steam, Discord, GeForce Experience, or even things like VPNs. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.